as I shared with you yesterday, I'm struggling with my own weight currently since I moved out of the hotel and I've been in the house. And this morning, I had lots of struggles with my kids this morning. Hi everyone. So this morning I was struggling with my 8-year-old. He's my biggest challenge. In terms of like, oh my God, I can't even talk. He was freaking out because I wanted him to wear a winter jacket because it's cold outside. And so I said, wear a winter jacket, and he started screaming, no, I hate the jacket, I'm gonna throw up. And he was just saying all these weird things that is just mind-blowing when you're just offering the kid jackets to stay warm. So I'm realizing I have been really under a lot of stress. Since I moved in, my entire family got the stomach flu, then my mother-in-law got the stomach flu. Yesterday I had a parent-teacher conference and I found out my son is having trouble focusing. I've been unpacking, my garage door broke. What else? I don't even know where half my stuff is. I can't find my mom's chandelier. Like a sentimental, it wasn't real. It was a fake crystal chandelier, but it was hanging in our house in Russia. And so I haven't been able to find that chandelier. It's so small. And so I'm realizing today that I'm under a lot of stress. Yesterday, April, you're there? Yesterday I had someone screaming at me that I gave them poor customer service because she purchased a large body shaper and it's too small. So then I asked her what were her measurements, and she said her measurements were 29-inch waist, which was for a medium, but she ordered a large and it's still small. So clearly she didn't measure, and so I can't exchange a size when someone's put their private body parts into it. I'm not Nordstrom's or Amazon, and so my website says there's no refunds. So I'm realizing this morning that I really just need to breathe. Maybe we should do yoga today, okay? But what I also realized is that I'm finally being understanding of when someone says I'm struggling, because now I'm struggling. Like I'm really struggling. But and so my weight is a little down, but it's not like I would prefer, which just goes back into my own mental game and my own habits of before, and I'm going right back to it. I'm going through the emotions just like anyone else. And so what I'm realizing that one thing I am now pretty good at is not giving up when the struggle gets real. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna stop. You get it? I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna work out. I had my eggs this morning with broccoli, and I'm gonna keep going. And whenever it happens, it happens. I'm not gonna stop. That's the difference. When the struggle hits you, you don't stop. Deal with the struggle. I'm dealing with my stress. I'm dealing with my struggle. Here I am crying in front of you. I'm doing it all. I'm human. We're gonna work out. And then I'm gonna have a protein shake. And then I'm gonna have my fish. Oh, and because my husband had stomach flu and he had salmon, now he doesn't want me to cook salmon in the house. So now I have to figure out how to cook salmon. I might have to go outside. But I'm still gonna go. You know what I'm saying? I'm still gonna do the thing that we're all wanna do. And that's it. I'm struggling, I'm crying, I'm stressed out. Life sucks right now. It will pass. I'm still gonna eat my chicken. You get it? That's the difference. You don't stop. That's what I'm finally understanding. The struggle is real with my life, with my body, because when you're mentally struggling here, you're mentally struggling everywhere else, but I'm still doing the work, because when you stop, it's worse. You with me? Does that make sense? I think that makes sense. All right.